Is meal replacement a great strategy for weight management? When it comes to dieting, most people approach the process by controlling the portions and also counting calories. But oftentimes, despite the best effort, the skill refuses to drop. Inaccuracy in counting the calories and estimating the portions are the two major obstacles to successful weight loss. Hi, this is Shereen here. The beauty of meal replacement is that the portion size is well taken care of and they are designed to provide great nutrition within a defined number of calories. On top of that, they are actually simple and convenient for today's busy lifestyle. Well, portion control is the primary strategy in controlling calorie intake. But often, many people don't take the time to weigh and measure their food. Or even if they do, they will actually stop after a while, thinking that they can actually estimate the portion pretty well. And often they forgot everything counts, including the oil that being used to cook their food, or food that being eaten while they are standing in front of the sink, or while driving the car, or even while actually working in front of the computer. So meal replacement take the guesswork out of the portion control and also the calorie intake, while delivering a healthy ingredient and also great taste. A number of clinical studies have shown that using meal replacement as part of their weight management plan has a greater success than counting calories on the food. And the best part is the meal replacement shake can be customized. You can actually either add it in water or prepare it in using soy milk or almond milk or any low-fat milk, or even by adding a handful of fruits into it to make the flavor of your own, or by adding some extra protein powder to customize to cater for your protein requirement for the day. And the best part is it can be prepared in just a few minutes. So convenient, portion control, healthy, delicious, calorie is well taken care of, and the best part is it can be prepared in just a minute and you can bring it to anywhere, everywhere you go. So what more could a dieter ask for? This is really your best option. Then hesitate no more. Sign up for our next upcoming 21-day Shake Challenge program by clicking on the link below. And I can't wait to see you embarking on the journey with us to achieve a better health, better shape, better confidence, a better self, and looks good, and elevate your health and wellness to the optimum level. Shall see you in the next upcoming 21-day Shake Challenge sessions.